What it is, YouTube. You know who it is. It's your boy, the Moose. Let's kick it.
It likes to run, it loves to jump, no one could ever stop. A big or small party, it will be there, no matter where or when. A moose on a loose, a moose on a loose, it'll be party all day long. A moose on a loose, a moose on a loose, what are you waiting for?
Oh man, I got something really cool today. We are going to do, as you can read in the comment below, we are going to set up my rack. Okay, so what's been going on with the rack is there's a couple things. I'm waiting for the light board to come in for the DMX, and I got the DMX wire, and I got the tree, I got everything. I still have to probably get them tomorrow, the next day. Well, probably get them before New Year's, hopefully, for our live Zoom. We are having a live Zoom right here in the garage. We're going to be doing a live Zoom from 11 p.m. Central Time. If you haven't yet, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and ring that trusty old bell for more notifications. We're having a giveaway. That's right, we're having a giveaway, and it's going to be given in 2021 at 12:07. 12:07 a.m. on 1/1/21. We're giving away a $25 gift card. So I left the link below to the Zoom. Just click on that Zoom down below. It'll take you right into Zoom. It's got the password and everything. It'll take you right into Zoom. No need for a password because it's all there. So let's get into this rack build. Okay, so what's going on is I got the rack, and then I wanted to build the rack. So the first thing that I got was a conditioner. It works really well. I didn't think that it would make my sound. See, what happened was is I got the new soundboard and everything, but I noticed that there was a hum in my system, and I didn't hear it until that day. Excuse me. I didn't hear that hum till later on, but this got rid of that hum. I don't hear no white noise at all. So a conditioner, if you're having problems with your system, I believe I got a conditioner. I got the Rockville RDF9U conditioner, and it works wonderful. I spent $39 at Guitar Center. So you can find conditioners at a reasonable price. This thing is worth its weight in gold. So what I ended up doing was I got the Phoenix 71Us, 71U, and then I got the extension for the antenna. I got the extension for the antenna off of Amazon. And how I'm going to do this is I'm waiting for the Rockview excuse me, soundboard to come in, and as soon as that comes in, it's going to go in here. I am not going to put my F7 in yet, because what I'm doing is I'm waiting for it to come, because I don't know how I want to set it up just yet on it to make it look good. So that's something. Now the deal is, and this is a big pro tip, Okay, so I got these labels. You could get a label machine to make it easier, but what I'm gonna do is the DMX actually has DMX written on the wire. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go down through all my wires in my whole system and I'm gonna name them. And I got these little stickers. What the stickers look like? They're from Avery. They're Avery 22805s. And I'll show you the sticker itself. The sticker's about this big. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna label each wire with the sticker. And how I'm gonna do it is I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna put 1/2 on the wire. Okay, so this wire right here is male going out. So this is gonna go to the sub going in from the F7, and this is the F7 going out. So what I'm gonna do is, this is how I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna take the sticker and I'm gonna put it like this, like that, and then I'm gonna go ahead and fold it up like this. So it's kind of like a flag sticking up. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it and go down like this on the sticker. So that's how the stickers are going to be put on the wires. Now these wires don't go nowhere, but they'll tell me what they go to. So what I do is I'll put it on this end of the wire. That way all I have to do is go to this end of this wire. But I already know what this wire is, so but I'm still going to wire it. The reasoning behind this is in your system, if you go to a gig and you have to use their equipment, you have to use their equipment, and then you end up having all kinds of problems. What I do is I try to make it easy on myself. For setting up wise. I noticed at the last gig that I was setting up and it took forever for me to set up. So that's the purpose behind naming each wire. And also naming each wire, if you understand, when you're getting into a rack, you're going to want to make sure that all the wires are labeled, because something could go wrong at a gig or something, and you have to find out what the problem is. At least you understand where that wire is going, because you might think that you know where they're going, but in all actuality you don't know. So let me show you the rack and show you why I'm talking about this. Okay, so down here is the rack. Down there's the rack. Okay. As you can see, I got it somewhat set up. Okay, so down here is the shelf. Let me open the shelf up for you. I got this shelf from eBay. It's a 19U. You have to open it a certain way. A 19U shelf, and this is going to house the microphones. So this is a microphone shelf. This is what I got it for. I got it for the microphones. So my microphones will be there, and it locks. I'm not going to keep it locked. I'm going to keep it unlocked because I already know what's going to happen. I'm going to lose the keys and be stuck. So you can lock it up, but then I didn't screw these down yet. And then here is the Phoenix PTU-71. Okay, as you can see, it has 2 channels. This channel here is for the preacher pack. I call it preacher pack, but it's for an officiant. And then this is the standalone microphone. Now how I'm going to do this is I got a microphone stand. And this is basically going to be both. It's going to be for the ceremony and the reception. I'm building it for both. I'm not going to have one for one and one for another. So I will be getting a third speaker to pull this off. But as you can see, I put the Rockville RDF9U conditioner up here. The reason I did that is because I can be able to see what I'm doing at a gig. Something might happen, and then right here between here and here, between here, this space right here, and this space right here, I have this that went there. This is what it looks like before. And then that goes there. And then I have all this room up here. And what I'll do is I'm really debating. I think this is how I'm going to do this. I am going to pick up another microphone set. I do have the Phoenix Professionals. I'm not the Phoenix Professionals, but I do have the Fine Professionals that I could use, which is giving me 2 extra mics. But I was thinking about it, I was like, yeah, I can just wire it in and use it when I need it, and then unwire it out if I need to. Or I can put it in there somewhere. But that's how I'm going to do it. And I could do this. I could adjust this the way I want to and do that and screw it in. But I was also thinking about taking this piece and this piece and putting the antennas there. I don't know how I want to do this, but basically I could put this here and then put this here to hold it up, and then build out something here to put my board, but I just don't know how I want to do this yet. So that's my debate on putting my soundboard in. I'm having a little trouble figuring out how I want to do it. So and when I get done doing that, I'll let y'all know. But I just wanted to show you what the heads up is. What ended up happening with the Rockville light board is I'm waiting on it to clear. What happened is the factory that I got it from, they have COVID. So they're not sending nothing out for 14 days until after they get the situation. And they have to make sure they had to train new staff and everything else because the other staff had COVID. So they're like, they're stuck. This pandemic, man, it's hitting everybody. So I'm being patient because I got it for a good price. It's a good brand too. It's brand new. It's never been opened. So yeah, that's got to be patient, man. I got the next gig on the 21st, so the 23rd of this month. It's coming up. So with that being said, hopefully everything goes with that the way it's going right now. This is why I don't like using my camera. Oh, another heads up, the camera will probably be here by New Year's Eve. I'm getting a new camera because the sound on my camera went out, so I'm ending up using my phone. So when that gets set up and gets taken care of, I'll start using that, and then I can give you quotes for the day. But today I want to leave you with a quote, and that is this: be safe.